Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Freak. Hope you all are doing well. So today's topic is how to finish the hem of any garment. For finishing the hem, first we have to cut all the fraying threads. After that, fold the hem. If the fabric is heavyweight, take half of an inch in the first fold. If fabric is lightweight, 1/4 of an inch will be enough. Lock the seam from starting and from the end of the seam, by which seam will not rip easily. While sewing, cut all the fraying threads. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and also subscribe my channel.